Hello and welcome to Codeverse. And I'm excited to start a new series where we'll cover the HSC Board 11th and 12th IT programs, SOP with notes, and PDFs with downloadable links. Today, we'll be diving into our first project from the 11th textbook, program number 1, which is all about text formatting. Text formatting is a crucial skill for every student, and in this video, we'll cover some of the most important techniques, including italic text, bold text, marked text, superscript, subscript, as well as horizontal and vertical lines. Now, let's open Notepad and move on to the coding part. Once you've completed the coding, make sure to save it with a file name that includes index or any title of your choice, followed by HTML. Next, let's view the results in any browser, such as Brave. As you can see, we have many different types of text formats. These techniques can be used to highlight important information, emphasize key points, or simply make your work look more polished and professional. Thank you for watching this video on text formatting. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to stay tuned for the next video, where we'll cover program number 2 from the 11th IT book.